Hello everyone. Imagine yourself being in nature, looking around at all the trees, plants and bushes, then closing your eyes and inhaling that amazing smell. Then you think, if only I didn't suck at keeping plants, I'd have plants in every room. The good news is that there are 9 plants that are very low maintenance. You can even keep not only alive, but they will grow and do well in your care. So here's the deal. I have a lot of plants and terrariums, and I can say that these 9 plants are so easy to keep. They'll live in your closet. These are super easy to keep. So before this video is over, your friends will think you have a green thumb. But before I start, see that subscribe button down there? Click it! This way you won't miss any videos and you're helping me, because that's what makes my channel grow. First on our list is the incredible snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is not only beautiful, but also incredibly hardy. This plant is practically indestructible. It can survive in almost any condition, making it a favorite for both novice and experienced plant owners. It thrives in low to bright indirect light, making it perfect for any corner of your home. Whether you have a sunny spot or a dimly lit room, the snake plant will adapt and flourish. You'll only need to water it every 2 to 6 weeks. This low-maintenance schedule is ideal for those with busy lifestyles or forgetful waterers. As a bonus, this plant is an excellent air purifier. It helps remove toxins from the air, making your living space healthier and more pleasant, perfect for bedrooms and living areas alike. Next, we have the Elegant Pothos, a trailing plant that's as easy to grow as it is beautiful. Its cascading vines bring a touch of nature's grace to any space. Water them every 1 to 2 weeks, or when the topsoil feels dry to the touch. Are you drawn to bold architectural shapes in your home decor? Then say hello to the ZZ plant, a perfect addition to any modern space. This striking beauty thrives on neglect, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. The ZZ plant prefers a well-draining potting mix to ensure its roots stay healthy. It also thrives in low-light conditions, perfect for those dim corners of your home. It only requires watering every 2 to 3 weeks, making it low maintenance. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings to keep your ZZ plant happy and healthy. For those who love the idea of a hanging garden, the spider plant is your perfect match. This charming plant is known for its air-purifying qualities. Water it weekly or when the topsoil feels dry. As its name suggests, the peace lily exudes a sense of tranquility, making it a perfect addition to any home or office space. With its deep green leaves and elegant white blooms, it brings calm and a touch of natural beauty to any environment, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your space. Peace lilies prefer well-draining potting mix and thrive in low to medium indirect light, making them ideal for rooms with filtered sunlight or shaded corners. Water them once a week or when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Regular watering ensures they stay healthy and vibrant, adding a serene touch to your surroundings. If you're looking to make a statement, the rubber plant is an excellent choice. This beauty can grow into an impressive indoor tree. Rubber plants prefer a well-draining potting mix and thrive in bright indirect light. Water every 1 to 2 weeks or when the top inch of soil feels dry. Let's add a splash of color with the Chinese evergreen. This stunning plant features patterned leaves in various shades of green and silver. Water it weekly or when the topsoil feels dry to the touch. The cast iron plant is the embodiment of resilience. It can withstand almost any condition, making it the ultimate low-maintenance plant. This champion thrives in low to moderate light and prefers a well-draining potting mix. Water every 2 to 3 weeks, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Bring the tranquility of the tropics into your home with the elegant Parlor palm. This graceful plant adds a touch of the outdoors. The Parlor palm thrives in low to moderate indirect light and prefers a well-draining potting mix. Water it weekly or when the soil feels dry to the touch. When you start adding plants to your home, it can have a profound impact on your well-being. As you nurture your green companions, you'll find that they, in turn, nurture you, bringing a sense of calm, joy, and connection to the natural world. There you have it, 9 super easy plants to keep. Which ones are you buying? Let me know in the comments below with that. Until next time, stay well.